Don't be too specific. It's only a feeling or a concept. Don't overthink. How to visualize oneness with nature. Being one with nature is to be with nature. You don't have to think too specifically. There isn't a specific method to use. It's just an awareness. I feel myself being one with nature. You don't have to visualize specifically that you're one with the house. Then you're one with the tree. If you do so, you'll go crazy. Don't be too specific. It's only a feeling or a concept. Don't overthink. It may cause problems. There will be problems if you overthink. I recall an Energy Bagua practitioner. He had just started practicing Energy Bagua. He wanted to be one with nature. He asked, "What if there's a mountain?" I told him to be one with the mountain. I told him not to think too specifically. A dog came along as we chatted. He asked, "Am I that dog too?" I told him it need not be so definite. It's an awareness when we visualize being one with nature. This is good enough. Do not overthink. Only then can you feel at ease.